Hi students, this is unit number 5 of Engineering Geology. Chapter is Geological Considerations for Design and Construction of Tunnels. Tunnels are the underground passages or roads through hills, mountains or earth crust used for different purposes. These passages are made by excavating rocks below the surface or through the hills, mountains. Type of tunnels. The first one is transportation tunnels. The tunnels made across hills or highlands to lay roads or railway tracks for regular traffic and transportation purpose. Second one, traffic tunnels. Tunnels laid to reduce the distance between places of interest across natural obstacles like hills to save time and provide convenience is called traffic tunnels. Third one, diversion tunnels. The tunnels laid for diverting normal flow of river water to keep the dam site dry are called diversion tunnels. Fourth one, pressure tunnels. These are also called as hydropower tunnels. These are used to allow water to pass through them under force used for power generation. Fifth one, discharge tunnels. These are meant for conveying water from one point to another under gravity force, like across hill. Sixth one, public utility tunnels. These are the tunnels laid for public supplies like drinking water supply, cables laying, sewage discharge and oil supply, etc. These images denotes the safe and unsafe tunnel constructions. Effect of tunneling on the ground. Deterioration of the physical conditions of the ground is the common effect of the tunneling. This happens because due to the heavy and repeated blasting during excavating, the rocks get shattered to the great extent and develop numerous cracks and fractures. This reduces the cohesiveness and compactness of rocks. At normal conditions, the earth crust or underground rocks are under great pressure. They will be in association with some geological structures like folding will be at equilibrium stress holding the prevailing strain intact. When the tunnel is created, such rocks which are at equilibrium gets disturbed, resulting in the collapse of the roof. Frequent bursts may also occur. This phenomenon of fall of rocks in brittle and hard rock is called popping. Such unstable conditions become still more precautions if the tunneled beds are saturated with groundwater. This is the lining of tunnel for safety measures. When tunnels are made through weak or loose or unconsolidated formations, they are provided with a suitable lining for safety and stability. Lining refers to the support provided to tunnel. Lining may be in the form of steel structures or concrete. The main purposes of lining are to resist the pressures from the surroundings and to protect the shape of tunnel. It takes care of weakness of the ground. In the case of very weak rocks with unfavorable geological structures, lining may be necessary throughout the length of the tunnel. The zones of faulting or shearing also need suitable lining to impart strength to them. Overbreak. During the tunneling, the excavations normally involve the removal of extra rocks or matter around the tunnel. The quantity of the rock broken and removed in excess of what is required by the perimeter of the proposed tunnel is known as overbreak. Factors governing the amount of overbreak. The nature of the rock. Second one, orientation and spacing of the joints or weak zones in them. Thank you.